Well, it's the Monday after the SDA showcase. I could definitely spend a lot of time telling you all about the show and posting a bunch of recaps, but here's the big thing. Being surrounded by the manufacturers that I work with every day and getting to see their product lit up and presented to specifiers the way it's supposed to be was super inspiring and super motivating. Our industry has faced a lot of headwinds in the last 2 years between the pandemic, supply chain issues. It's been hard. It's been hard just to do business. And to me, there was something so celebratory about just getting everybody together. Of course, we've had trade shows and we've had other industry events, but something about the intimacy of a rep show, something that's relatively small compared to a big trade show, and really getting into the weeds on specific projects. Designers saying to me, oh, I'm doing this particular thing and I really want to go take a look at it. What do you have that can do this? And then not just sending them an email or sending them a cut sheet, but being able to actually show them the product that matters and light it up for them. Super inspiring. So all I can say is I'm very excited about the coming year because I think we're going to be able to do more of that and get back to the sort of in-person collaboration that makes this job so much fun. So thank you to everybody that came out to the show. Now it's time to get back to work.